Hi guys, I'm Sierra with LifefulAndFrugal.com. At LifefulAndFrugal.com, we teach you to live a healthier, happier, more beautiful life on less. From gardening to home decor to holistic health and healthy homemade recipes, we're your one-stop shop for all things full and frugal. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing below, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification so that you never miss any of our new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Hugelkultur stock tank garden. So I wanted to explain the method of Hugelkultur. It is a German raised bed method where you use branches, logs, any other natural material that you might have on your property laying around that will rot naturally, and you fill the bottom of a raised bed with those pieces of wood and branches and trimmings, and it really helps you save money on dirt. And if you have some of these natural cuttings and things that you can fill maybe the first half or the first 2/3 of your stock tank with, it really helps you save a lot of time, effort, and money in dirt. Moving dirt is tedious, it's hard, it's heavy, and this really helps with that aspect as well. Over time, it will break down and become dirt itself. And so that is the beauty of this method. It saves money, it saves time, it saves effort, and it's natural and it breaks down just like compost does. Stock tanks tend to, over time, begin to rust at the bottom and get holes. And so it's just a hunk of junk that you can't use anymore. My dad is notorious for collecting stuff, and he had this really huge horse stock tank. And we were trying to find a way to collect rainwater for our garden. And our dad had this bright idea: I'm gonna bring that stock tank and you guys can collect water in that. And at the end of the day, he brought it, but it had holes in the bottom. So obviously it didn't hold water. And we were like, great, we're stuck with this stock tank that has holes in it. What are we gonna do with it? And we actually had somebody pick up some metal recycling last year and we almost got rid of it. And then I was like, hey, wait, let's make it into a raised bed. And I really wanted to use the Hugelkultur method because it really saves money on dirt. So part of what we do every year when we do our garden is, instead of trying to kill grass and weeds in our raised beds with chemicals, we collect cardboard boxes, we break them down, we lay them on top of the raised beds. We leave them for at least 2 weeks. We actually left ours this year for 4 weeks, and it's excellent at killing off weeds and grass. When you pull the cardboard up, all the grass and weeds have died out or been extremely weakened. And also that cardboard really holds in the moisture, which is so great when you go to pull weeds. If the dirt is really dry and hard when you try to go to pull weeds and grass, it's very hard to pull. Then to take it a step further, we keep that recycled cardboard. By the time 2 or 4 weeks are up, the cardboard has broken down, it's become soft, some of it has even kind of started to turn to dirt. And then we used that in these Hugelkultur raised beds. So what we've done is we've cleared out our stock tanks, made sure that there are holes. If you're using a newer stock tank that doesn't have holes, you're going to want to drill some holes in the bottom because you do need drainage. So what we did was we started with a layer of just old branches, and then we put on a layer of that broken down cardboard, and then another layer of branches and trimmings, cardboard, branches, trimming, cardboard. And then on top of that, you're able to put your dirt. So without further ado, let's get started on this Hugelkultur stock tank garden. your own fruits and vegetables and herbs is so fun. It's so rewarding and it's so empowering. So we hope that you enjoy this project so that you can enjoy the benefits of growing your own food with your own effort. So you guys, I hope that you feel really inspired by this Hugelkultur stock tank garden. It is something that you can use to grow veggies or maybe flowers, do a cut flower garden, maybe put in some bulbs. Gladiolus would be a really good addition. If you feel inspired and you try it for yourself, please let us know in the comments below how it turned out. We love to get feedback, so let us know what you tried. You know, the cardboard method is kind of unique. You know, did you try cardboard? Did you try other natural materials? Let us know what you tried in the comments below. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share us with your friends and family. It really helps the algorithm to give us a comment, to give us a like, and to share it with other people. It really helps us grow our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this. We wish you happy gardening. God bless, and we'll see you next time.